Hi guys, welcome to our part 8 on how to use client review system. Just go in kingmusa.co.za/fpps, you hit enter, then you put in your username and password, then you sign in. Okay, we finished with a couple of things here, paid and owing members. So now we also showed you how to create categories, which are classes or grades. So now we can show you how to create fees. So fees, we can view one child to show you how it works here. Fees, we say, go back. If we say pay fees, here, whatever we're gonna create is gonna come here. So we're going to create some things, then we put them here. Uniform, books, yeah, whatever we create is gonna come there. So this time we're gonna create something new. We create fees, any fees type your clients pay for. In case people pay for uniforms, some pay for fees, others pay. We can say in some daycare centers, some people say they pay for swimming lessons. So we're gonna put that and say pay. We said create category. We created that fees category or fees type. We can go and view one child here, and we make that child pay for swimming. You can see swimming is here. We say pay, then we say it's gonna be paying maybe 300 rands a month. We said paid for swimming, which is a double M. Then we say pay is paying for to this, and paid by father this time. Father this time. Then we save. Once we've saved, we can see now the fees we created. We're done with creating fees. Then we can see view fees category. So these are the types of fees we have. So we can delete some if we don't use them anymore, and trips, uniform, fuel, and we delete that. We have fees, books and stuff. So if we refresh here, you can see we have books, fees, swimming, trip, and uniform. This is what kids pay for in the school. Yeah, so if there's anything new or anything you don't want, you just click delete and delete that type. If there's no kids who are paying for books and stuff, you can delete that. If people are no more paying for swimming, you click and delete that. So what you can do, you go back and also create any fees category if you want to. We showed you how to create the classes. These are classes. Guys, this is our end of the part 8, and please don't forget to subscribe, and you can comment in the comment box below to show to tell us what you did not understand. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in part 9.